With your leasing profile set up, you're ready to move on. In this module, we'll show you how to create your custom request from the RFQ tab, or jump straight to the best deals page to browse preloaded offers. Filter by vehicle brand or model, powertrain, or budget to find market-ready deals, or choose to create a tailored RFQ based on your needs. The RFQ form has 5 tabs. Start with leasing definition by choosing the vehicle count, country of registration, leasing profile, and contract details. Set mileage, tenure, typically 36 or 48 months, and a desired delivery date. Don't worry about unfamiliar terms, just click the info icon for explanations. Add your indicative budget. Note that you will have the closest final price when the vendors upload their quotations. Next, define your vehicle. Upload a dealer quote or configure it directly on Leaseryt. The vehicle configurator lets you specify brand, model, version, and your preferred options. The system won't accept mismatches, so if you select an EV, ICE quotes will be flagged. You can choose custom options for your vehicle, so the vendor receives your preferred configuration. You'll see a full summary of your vehicle setup and leasing services. Confirm everything before moving to the vendor selection. Before picking the desired vendors, you can have Leaseryt checking for best deal matches. If you chose to proceed with your RFQ, pick matching vendors and send your RFQ. Your vendors will be notified instantly. To compare incoming quotes, watch the next video.